Stress gets blamed for everything. Burnout, poor performance, bad decisions. But stress itself, it's not the problem. In fact, under the right conditions, stress can actually make you perform better. So today, I want to explain why and what determines whether stress helps or hurts. Welcome to the Fear Less Stress Lab. I'm Dr. Rebecca Heiss, and for the next few minutes, we are going to have a little experiment. No motivation, no fluff, no mindset hacks, just the science of what stress is and what it's actually doing in your body, and how we can begin to use it on purpose. We've been taught one simple story. Stress is bad. Less stress is better. No stress is ideal. That story sounds comforting, but it's wrong, because the only people with zero stress are dead people. And more importantly, the moments where performance matters most are almost always riddled with stress. So the real question isn't, how do I get rid of my stress? It's, when does stress help and when does it hurt? When stress shows up, your body releases a specific hormonal cocktail of adrenaline and cortisol and norepinephrine, and these chemicals increase focus, they sharpen memory, they speed up your reaction time, they mobilize energy. This is why athletes, performers, and leaders often do their very best work under pressure. Stress narrows attention to what matters right now. And that's not dysfunction, that's efficiency. Here's the key distinction. Stress helps performance when it's interpreted as challenge. Stress hurts performance when it's interpreted as threat. Same biology, different meaning. Challenge sounds like, this is demanding, but I can engage. Threat sounds like, this is dangerous and I might fail. The body responds differently to those interpretations, even though the stress response looks similar. The cool thing is, you have complete control. So how do you shift stress from threat to challenge? Well, you don't eliminate it. You contextualize the stress. Ask yourself, what does this stress prepare me to do? That question gives stress a role, a job. And once stress has a role, it stops feeling chaotic and starts feeling useful. That's the big difference between panic and elite performance. Stress isn't the enemy of excellence. It's part of the formula. It's an important piece of the pathway. So the goal isn't to get rid of it. It's to build a trained stress response. If this content was useful, there's a lot more like it inside of my Fear Less Stress Lab series. And if you want to go even deeper, I've built a masterclass that teaches exactly how to train this response. Just comment Fearless below, and I'll send you my very first chapter of my book completely free. So stay stressed, my friends, but let's all learn to fear it a bit less.